Okay, folks, on example number 4 here, it says business. 3 years ago, you became president of a company that manufactures cellular telephones. Okay. The profit or loss in thousands of dollars of the company for the past 6 years is shown in the table. Okay? Now, you became president 3 years ago, right? Okay. Now, it tells us to do 3 things. Make a scatter plot of the data, okay? Now, a scatter plot of the data here, they're telling us just use that table and make a graph. So let me throw a graph out here for us. Oh, you know what? I'm sorry, guys. I need to change something if I can, because it's hard to see what's Okay.
Wait, so they made $49.
$49,000.
And then they lost 30, 42, and 67,000.
Okay. Now, it's going to be difficult. It may be a little difficult for us to see, but I think I can figure it out. All right. I'm going to draw some lines here. Let's put the y-axis there. We're going to put the x-axis right here. We're going to say that this one, and I know it's hard with this background the way it is, but you know, we'll get through it. Okay? Let's let each one of these count for how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know what? Let's take this one and move it up. 2, 3. Okay, hopefully that'll, okay. We'll go like that. Okay. All right. Let's let each one of those equal 5,000. Now in the first year, that means that this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then, I'm sorry guys, I'm going to have to put 2 more way down there. The first year is way down here at 67. All right. The second year, all right, I go to the right 2, and I go down to 42, negative 42. That's going to put us about right here. Okay. The third year, we're at negative 30. Third year is negative 30, so that's about right there. They lost $30,000 that year. It doesn't look like it was as bad as the year before. Okay? Now, after 4 years, we made $12,000. All right, 5, that's 10, 20. These are negatives, right? And this is 30, and that's 40. I didn't have enough lines, and I just don't have enough lines. And that's 50 up there. After 4 years, we made $12,000. Hey, you're president, right? Because that was the first year you were president. Nice job. Well done. You made a profit. After 5 years, it's $24,000. That's about right there. After 6 years, $49,000. Now, we've plotted these points on the graph. Is that visible to everybody? Can we see that and understand it? Okay. Describe any patterns that you see. Raise your hand. Just tell me what you see that's happening. Claire?
Well, it's going up.
It's going up. That's good because that's your profit, right? So the amount of money you're taking in over what you spend is going up. That's good. What else, Catherine?
Well, the plots on the graph kind of look symmetrical, but the one on top is turned over.
Okay. Yeah, it looks like you could probably cut it right here and it might be a little symmetrical. Number 3, were you a successful president? What do you think? Raise your hand. Were you a successful president? Stone?
Well, when you were all the profits came actual profits.
Yeah, when you were president, right, those last 3 years, you actually had profits instead of losses. So I would say you were successful. Nice job. I think you're ready for your homework.